Igho Urhobo mewa do Ekuakua me Igho kebo wani yo mebe yo motero wa oyo no Urhobo ayeru we bi oranwe Christy ogene nyeru happy Igho umukoro no na megu no ta pare Ekuakua arugbo manara Mrẹn things that can be found in the body which is part of the body Ekuakua arugbo mana parts of the body that are seen. Ekuakua arugbo mana kide Ekuakua arugbo mana Ekuakua arugbo ma eye Ekuakua sansan ogene mare evurugbo ma mevo nwe esoro okosa wodi hura po nunena Ekuakua na evora Mrẹn ke emego no takpa na ore soso eto hair uyowi head ovaro face arare forehead eye ubiero eyeball oran ear egban cheek unwe nose agboto shin ugbunu mouth eberugbunu that's lip eberugbunu lip anko teeth erere tongue ohore neck igabo shoulder igabo udu chest evie breast obo hand erubo elbow iriambo fingers efabo fingernails evun stomach uhohi navel ehun waist ugbuko that is back ikebe buttocks owo leg ukpogowo thighs ugbon knee uvowo calf. This is it. Uvowo calf. Then erwowo is ankle. Irianwo toe. Efawo toenails. Irianwo toenails. Efawo is toenails while irianwo is toe. Toe. Efawo toenails. Then eherowo foot. Eherobo palm. Ohoro boy me kasa ta pobo ire. Ohoro means I want to talk as a vagina. Ohoro. Ubi ohoro. Ubi ohoro means clitoris. Then osho. Osho. Penis. Osho. Irite. 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 Testis. Irite. Testis. Unuson. Anuso. The one when they inside, so maybe unuson. Please, I want to end my lecture for today here. Next class we'll talk about maybe another topic that will concern the intestine and the other parts of the body. Today I want to plead that everybody try and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am on TikTok. You can catch up with me on Facebook as well and other social media platforms. Please kindly follow your sister, Urhobo language tutor online, and I will be very grateful. Urhobo of Urhobo. Urhobo mena vowena of Urhobo. Urhobo oseme voloni mena of Urhobo. Urhobo oshari mena of Urhobo. Wado Mrẹn kesi efa o. Mi wego no ruwa o.